Hello everyone, welcome to this quick review of the Amazon FBA Ninja course by Kevin David. Is it the best course for Amazon FBA sellers? Let's find out. Before we jump into the main review of the Amazon Ninja course, I just want to let you know that the Amazon FBA Ninja course is definitely not the best Amazon course out there. I know that may be a disappointment if you are already considering buying the Amazon Ninja course, but you got to hear me out. For me, the best Amazon FBA course available today is the Amazing Selling Machine created by Matt Clark and his awesome partners. But despite the fact that the Amazing Selling Machine is the best course for people who wants to start an Amazon FBA business or learn how to grow and scale their existing Amazon businesses, you got to understand that the Amazing Selling Machine is quite expensive and not a lot of people can afford it, especially when they are just starting. The Amazing Selling Machine costs almost $5,000, and when you are just starting, that can be a lot of money considering the fact that you will also need money for inventory and other expenses. The Amazon FBA Ninja course by Kevin David on the other end cost around $997 and slightly more if you choose to buy the course bonuses. So if you are looking for the best Amazon course, I encourage you to take the Amazing Selling Machine when the doors for the course are opened. But if you are looking for the best cheap alternative to the Amazing Selling Machine, you should consider taking the Amazon FBA Ninja course by Kevin David. In this video I am only going to review Kevin David's Amazon course as the best cheap alternative to the Amazing Selling Machine and not as the best Amazon course that you can find on the marketplace as of today. So with that being said, let us now jump into my thoughts on the Amazon FBA Ninja course. Well, the first place to start for this review, to be as honest as it can ever be, is the skepticism around the FBA Ninja course. At one point I saw a conversation thread on Reddit and what I found there was not pleasing at all. People are really skeptical about buying the course, and for a few who do buy the course, they just feel like they just lost their money. I completely understand their perspective on that, because the last thing that any person wants to do when buying an online course is to put some money into a course and realize you could have learned everything mentioned in the course for free if you were just willing to scroll through a bunch of free YouTube videos. Many people do feel that way about the Amazon FBA Ninja course, but here is my view on that. The fact of the matter is that Kevin David speaks highly of his course. He talks about the course everywhere and even in his free training videos. Sometimes I feel like he does not give as much value as he could in his free videos, just because all he wants is to direct people to his course. Of which that is completely fine, but what that does is that people end up thinking of his course as the ultimate resource for selling on Amazon, and when they do buy the course and study the modules, they might end up feeling a bit disappointed because of the expectations they had about the course. I mean, with all the buzz around the course, you might feel like the course was created by God, and when you buy the course and realize that it's just Kevin David running the show, you will be disappointed. But that does not mean the course is bad at all. The course is a good course that just doesn't meet your expectations. At least that's my opinion on every course that you can ever take. Courses are just organized information that is easy to skim through and to find. At least that is the same thing with our school books. I mean, what is in an educational book that you cannot find for free on the internet? Nothing. And in the same way that books are just organized resources that will eliminate the time for searching and organizing for their readers, courses are like that too. What you are getting from courses mostly is organized information that will be easy for you to find and access. The only valuable thing about online courses, and in this case the Amazon FBA Ninja course, is the platform to ask questions about what you may not understand, and the platform for one-on-one coaching to come up with strategies that are specific to your product and situation. That one is invaluable. And you will also get access to a list of suppliers, good and cheap freight forwarders, and some other good resources that you could not have found if you started the journey on your own. I can go on and tell you about what you are getting in the Amazon FBA Ninja course in 2019, but I don't think that is any important, because you might have seen all of this stuff on the sales page of the course or on other reviews. But I think that what is important for you to know is whether you need the Amazon FBA Ninja course for you to be able to start a successful Amazon FBA business or not. And the answer to that is that you don't need the Amazon FBA Ninja course in order to start a successful Amazon FBA business. There are obviously many people who have failed on their Amazon FBA journey even after taking the course, and there are people who did not take the course and still became successful. So the bottom line is the fact that you do not need the Amazon FBA Ninja course in order to start a successful Amazon FBA business, but you need the course in order to have a degree of certainty for starting a successful Amazon FBA business. Courses just increase your chances for success, but they never guarantee success. There is work to be done on your side, and only if you are willing to do that work can you realize the power of these courses. So my advice to you is to take the course, but most importantly you need to mix the knowledge with a lot of work and even sleepless nights if you have to. The course won't make the road easy and effortless, but they just help you fight through the difficulties of the road. I will leave a link to a free Amazon FBA training by Kevin David in the description section below. Check it out and decide from the value delivered in the free training if the Amazon FBA Ninja course is worth it or not. But in my case I think the course is worth every penny, and if you feel that way too, I will also drop a link to the course for you in the description section below. Thank you for watching and good luck.